All right, let's go to the bills. We've got the tabs up top on the bills. We've got the for review tab. We've got the unpaid, and then we've got the paid. So let's go to the unpaid. So the unpaid bills are the normal place that we would go because these are the bills that we have not yet paid. And if we have a lot of transactions, as you would, the larger the company gets, then you're going to enter the bill with the date that you entered the bill. That's the date the expense will be recorded. But you also want the due date, because that's what you need to sort by typically, because that's when you need to pay by in order to not be penalized for late payment. So that's the game. The game here is I enter the bills, I sort them over here, and then I try to pay them as late as possible. The little quirks in the game are, could you get a cash discount if you paid earlier? Is it worthwhile to do that? And if I pay it later, am I making sure that I still have a good relationship with my vendors? I don't want to pay overdue, even if they don't penalize me, even though that would be good for cash flow, because it will anger our vendors, and that's going to be a problem. So that's the idea of the accounts payable. So we would sort them thusly, and then basically we could check them off and make payments, which would be the bill pay forms from here. So we'll get into that more later, but on the right hand, we could schedule a payment. We've got the mark as paid if it had already been paid for whatever reason. View, edit the bill, duplicate it if we need to, and delete the bill if we needed to delete the bill. We've got our filters, all transactions, all vendors, and then we've got the date filter that we can adjust up top before. We're currently in a year of transactions, which is kind of the default. Show bill payments, how to manage bills, we'll keep that. Then when we pay them, we are over in the paid area, and we get this nice list of the paid bills. Once again, we have the filter, all vendors, or the dates when they were paid. And you could possibly put them into the review if you have kind of a review system. Otherwise, you're going to have the unpaid bills. Once you pay them, they're going to be moved over here to the paid area, and it will record then the transaction.